Thank you for choosing Olympus Group for your printing needs. In this video, we will be demonstrating basic installation for a horizontal SEG graphic. Fit the SEG gasket into the corners of the frame, starting in the top left corner and moving to the following corners in a clockwise succession as shown. Top right corner, bottom right corner, and bottom left corner. Now that the corners are secure, fit the remaining gasket into the top horizontal channel. Start in the middle and move out to the corners. Do the following for the bottom horizontal channel, and continue on to the right vertical channel, followed by the left vertical channel. By following these basic installation steps, your graphic should be smooth and wrinkle-free. Thank you again for choosing Olympus Group.